Master Gardeners of Santa Clara County provide research-based horticultural information to residents. We do this through our website, classes, events, a help desk call center, demonstration gardens, spring and fall garden markets, and many other methods. Our organization is a partnership between the University of California, Cooperative Extension, and passionate volunteers in Santa Clara County. We are proud to provide advice you can trust. Master Gardener volunteers come from all parts of Santa Clara County. Our diverse members educate home gardeners and demonstrate sustainable gardening. Following months of initial training to become Master Gardeners, we continue to expand our knowledge through ongoing educational lectures and research. From Palo Alto to Gilroy and in between, demonstration gardens show you how to grow healthy, delicious vegetables in both summer and winter. For ornamental gardens, we display a wide range of Mediterranean climate plants for your low-water garden. The Master Gardener Community Education Center in Marshall Cottle Park is an amazing 4 acres. Here we showcase many aspects of gardening, including native plants, vegetables, and fruit trees. The spring and fall garden markets at Marshall Cottle Park are annual extravaganzas with huge plant sales. They feature talks, horticultural information, and one-on-one interaction with Master Gardeners. Lectures, workshops, and presentations are given frequently at local libraries, youth and adult education centers, and demonstration gardens. A broad range of subjects are covered. Check the online calendar on our website for listings. There is something happening every month. Do you have a question about your garden? About a plant, a pest, or a problem? Call, email, or visit our help desk. Master Gardeners research solutions and provide answers to your questions. Our monthly email gives you seasonal information on gardening and a list of upcoming classes and events. Sign up for the email on our website. The Master Gardener website, mgsantaclara.ucanr.edu, has information about upcoming events, a contact page for the help desk, and locations of demonstration gardens. On our website, you will find additional resources, documents, and links to other valuable gardening information. Santa Clara County is a spectacular environment for gardening. Master Gardeners provide advice you can trust to help you be successful in your garden. We look forward to growing with you.